Good morning, children. I am JS. Today we start on new chapter, two-dimensional analytical geometry 2. This is fifth chapter in your 12th syllabus. So you have studied two-dimensional analytical geometry 1 in 11th standard. So I hope you are all known some idea about this chapter. Let me see some formulas. First concept, circle formulae. First one, equation of circle with the center 0 comma 0 and radius r is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Equation of circle with the center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So the general form of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So I write some characteristics of circle equation. First concept, it is the second degree equation in x and y. Can you understand, children? So this is the general form of circle. So this circle equation degree is 2. So that first characteristic is it is a second degree equation in x and y. So only x and y are variable, two variables. Second point, coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square, which is not equal to 0. If it is the coefficient of x square and y square equal to 0 means it is a linear equation. It is not a second degree equation. Can you understand, children? Third point, coefficient of xy equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? In circle equation, there is no xy term. So that is the meaning. This is third point. Fourth point, the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represent. So these are all very important concept in 1 mark questions. First point, a real circle. When we said this circle is a real circle. So condition, these are all condition. You have to study it and keep it in your mind. So don't forget these points. G square plus f square minus c greater than 0. So greater than 0 means real circle. Equal to 0 means a point circle. Less than 0 means an imaginary circle. Can you understand, children? Next, circle equation. This is new concept in 12th standard. Very important. The equation of a circle with x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as extremities of one of the diameters of the center is. So extremities is endpoints of the diameter. Extremities meaning is endpoints. So diameter endpoints given, so that we write one equation x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the equation of circle. Condition, what is the given extremities of one of the diameters of the center. Next, the position of a point p of x1 comma y1 with respect to a given circle. This is circle equation. This is general form of circle equation. In the plane containing the circle is outside or on or inside. So how to check a point is on the circle, outside the circle, inside the circle? These are all conditions. So just you substitute the given point to the given equation. If you get positive number, which means greater than 0, outside the circle. This means outside. Equal to 0 on the circle. Less than 0 inside the circle. Once again, I tell you, children, listen carefully. You just substitute given point to the given circle equation. So you get one constant value. If the constant value is positive, we write greater than 0. Greater than 0 means outside the circle. The point outside the circle. Equal to 0 means a point on the circle. Less than 0 means a point inside the circle. Can you understand, children? This is very simple concept. Sixth result, the center and radius of the circle. This is general form of circle equation. Center is minus g comma minus f. Radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. That's all. So I send you in photocopy. All should write in your max note. You are all study all the formula. So let me see some problem.